Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Alright, so we are inside the vehicle, and it's the same thing where you're checking the mirrors. Now you're checking that they are adjusted to your height. You're checking that you have a seatbelt and that it's functioning as well, so put that on. And as you make your way as well, sweeping through the cabin from left to right. So we're gonna wait till the engine is ready to start up. And when we start it, there's a few things we're gonna check. We're gonna make sure that all the lights in the dash start up. They light up and then they come off. We're gonna look at some of the gauges that will go up and down. For example, the temperature gauge, of course, is going to be low right now because it's not warmed up. But the oil pressure and the voltmeter should move when you turn it on. And so we're making our way from left to right. So one of the things you want to check are the lights. And I'm looking at the left turn signal, and you want to see the indicator. Now we're not checking the lights outside yet. We're just looking at the indicators. There's the right indicator. Then of course the four-way flashers. When we turn on the lights and then the headlights, there should be something showing us that the headlights are on. And then one of the other things that we're checking is the steering wheel play. So you roll down your window and you stick your head out the window and you move the steering wheel, and you want to make sure that as you're turning the steering wheel, the actual tire is moving along with it. This is actually very responsive. Normally our vans, they have a little bit of play, which is okay. I think it's something like 10 degrees is allowed, or 1 inch. This one moves right away, so it's very responsive. So we checked out the steering wheel play, and like I said, you're going thoroughly from left to right. So we've got the turn signals, and we talked about the headlights, the high beams. So now we've got the windshield wipers. So we want to make sure that they are working, and you've got the washer fluid coming out, and you've got the windshield wipers going. So that means that the lever over here we've used. We checked the steering wheel that it moves okay. The cruise control you don't have to check, but you do have to check the horn. So you just do that. And then the next thing over here is the gear shift. So the gear shift, you just want to make sure that it works and that it's switching gears. So when it goes in reverse on this vehicle, it actually starts beeping. So I put in neutral, drive, second, and first, and it's moving smoothly. So that's okay. And then we keep moving to the right, and what we've got here are the controls for the air conditioning and for the heating and defrosting. So what they care about is that you can use the defroster if you are somewhere where the windows get fogged up. So you put your hand out here, that would be the heater and the defroster, and you just feel the air that it is coming out. So that's sufficient. Now you don't have to check the other stuff there. I think the last thing that we need to check are the emergency supplies. So why don't we